Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my little princess here with me and we are going to try to make a sensory jar. Are you laughing?
No.
Say hi, princess.
Hi.
Since princess don't want to say hello, she's a little bit shy. Are you gonna say hi? They're not seeing you. We are going to attempt, right? We're going to try to make a sensory jar, but we want to make it in a snow globe that we picked up at the Dollar Tree. And we are going to see if we could do it with a little twist, with a Christmas twist, right?
Yep.
So before we get into this, let me tell you the items that we have. I picked these up at Dollar Tree. I have a variety of glitter right here, and we will choose from the glitter to see what colors we like together. I have from the Dollar Tree some snowflakes. I have a bag of fake snow. I have iridescent confetti. You know what princess says. Stop laughing! And I have some glue. This is the clear glue. I have my water. And we have some little trinkets to see if we could put that inside, since this is a Christmas theme. So I wanted to use glue. Princess would like to use water in hers. I'm using glue and water, and she's using water. So let's see how this turns out. First, let's open these. And we have to take these little things out. I got it out, so now we'll put this to the side. Let's put the glitter to the side. And I think we need something for this to sit on. Let's pour the water. You pour some, right? That to the side. Okay, so I'm gonna pour water in mine.
It's so cold.
It was in the fridge. I'm pouring, ooh, Lord. Okay, so water is in mine. Look at that. That is pretty. Let me put yellow. Is this yellow?
You could do orange.
Ooh. Okay, so that, and I need a different color. Maybe with the green.
That would just give you a lighter green.
Huh?
That would just give you yellow green.
Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty.
Use pink.
I'm gonna do pink.
I'm gonna do some silver and white and blue.
Okay, so I'm doing
Purple and dark blue.
Oh my gosh, she's using all the colors though. All right, I'm going to put, okay, let's see. I'm measuring mine. I don't want to put too much. Yeah, I'll put, this one is some iridescent pink. I'll pour pink in mine.
Mine is some sparkly silver.
Okay, I need white. Oh, go ahead. Pink, white. Oh, that looks so pretty. I think I'll put some silver in mine. I'll put some silver. Yes. And so I have, okay, and I'll put white. I'll put white in mine.
Some
Oops.
purple.
Yeah.
Well, technically blue, but...
Oh, that's blue. Ooh, that is a pretty blue. No, I don't think I want purple. I want to put blue in there when you're done. Oops. Okay. And then I'm adding blue.
And I'm adding a kind of like teal color blue. Like a light blue.
Yeah. Wait, take your time, take your time. We're making a pretty good mess here. All right, let's see. Wait, we stir? Let's see now. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. Look at that. That is so cute. Okay, so now we are going to add some of the What do you call it again?
Iridescent confetti.
Iridescent confetti. Here you go, my darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is looking good. Okay, here you go. You could just add it in your jar. And I'm going to add 2 and 9. Now I have a snowman from the Dollar Tree collection and I'm gonna drop it in there. Now I'm going to add my clear glue. And Princess will add water. Ready for the big reveal? Tan-da-da-da! 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put it in the hand like that. 1, 2, 3, and go. Oh! Wait a minute.
Oh.
I like the way the glue makes it. I think, oh God, this is gorgeous. Look at that.
I think the glue makes it better, like more like.
Yeah, I think it's better with the glue. But guys, this is our sensory jar. Snow globe, right?
Yeah.
So, did we need more water? It doesn't spill. That's nice. This is it. This is water. When you turn, you have it like that. When you turn it around like that, that's the one with the water. And look at the difference. The one that has the glue. It moves slower. The glitter moves slower.
And the glitter moves all around.
Yeah. Add some glue to Princess bottle. And then come right back.
Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. So, bye, you guys.
Wait, before we go, do you like it? Did you enjoy making this with me?
Yep.
Is this something you would do again?
Yeah, but next time I would add like a tiny bit more glue.
Okay. Yes, my little scientist. So, guys, you heard her. Thank you all for watching. And have a blessed day. Don't forget, spread love. Keep smiling. Bye.